Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go live on TikTok. So you do have to have like a minimum of 1,000 followers on the platform to go live. Select the plus button here and go to live right here. And here you can add a topic. For instance, I am going to choose gaming and choose like the game that I'm playing, which is Valorant. And then here you can even add a live goal, like how many roses is your goal. For instance, yours is like 100 of like ice cream cones. Just confirm that. And you can also describe like your live goal. You can also add a title here. You can add in effects. You can then promote it, and there's a lot of settings. And once you are done, you're just going to select go live. You can also add in a thumbnail over here. But that is basically how you can go live on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!